The warm rays of the sun peered through the curtains, awakening Jenny from her slumber. As she opened her eyes, the realization hit her that it was International Sun Day. Ever since she was a little girl, her family had a tradition of celebrating the importance of the sun. On Sunday, they would wake up early to watch the sunrise together, go for walks outside, and talk about how the sun powers the earth and brings light to the world. International Sun Day has been celebrated on May 3rd since 1978. It was founded by physicist Dennis Hayes to raise public awareness about renewable energy and highlight the important role the sun plays in powering our planet. The sun is the source of most renewable energy on Earth, including solar, wind, and hydropower. As climate change and pollution pose grave threats, transitioning to renewable solar energy has ever been more urgent. The sun is essential to all life on Earth. It provides the light and warmth that have shaped the evolution of humans and all other creatures. The sun's energy drives ocean currents and the water cycle through evaporation, transporting water around the globe. It fuels photosynthesis in plants, feeding every food chain in the ecosystem. Access to daylight has ever been shown to significantly impact well-being and health in humans. On International Sun Day, people around the world celebrate through various activities centered around the sun and renewable energy. Many raise awareness by organizing events, educating communities on solar power and other renewables. Some celebrate by doing simple things like sunbathing, gardening, flying kites, or going for walks outside. The day is also marked by turning off unnecessary lights and electronics to demonstrate how vital the sun is as an alternative energy source. The sun is the ultimate source of energy that powers life on our planet. International Sun Day is an opportunity to appreciate the importance of the sun and advocate for transitioning to clean solar energy and other renewables. Like little Jenny and her family, we can all start new traditions on May 3rd to celebrate the sun in our own way. Our star deserves recognition, and so does our Earth. This is the painting we've done with oil pastels for this special day. Wish you a great International Sun Day. Cheers!